Was that I think that I also fell in line with a lot of the stereotypes that exist when it comes to blindness. So I learned everything, and I learned a lot through these women. And there are the other 3 women that are not here right now, but I know one of the biggest things was that, and that's from movies as well, which I think contributes to it, is that if somebody's blind, they have a heightened sense of something else. I asked everyone that I interviewed, and they all said no, that's not the case.
It was truly a blessing for me to be a part of, to represent not only as a blind woman, but a blind, black, educated, full-figured sister.
So this is for the entire cast. First of all, amazing job. Just amazing.
It was a wonderful journey and a wonderful story to share.
It was all love, and it was just really exciting to be there. And just like Kika said, it was really admirable to see what you're doing with this production company.